All right, well, it's been snowing here for about 2.5 days now, and it's still currently snowing, but I built this in a couple hours just because I knew the bucket was going to be kind of a pain because they were calling for, I think it was 18 to 26 inches of snow or something like that. So I just welded some tabs onto the pallet fork bracket and hooked up this old snowplow. But let me show you the current situation outside here. So yeah, as you can see on top of the wheel loader, we've got probably 20 inches of snow or better. It's just so much snow. Alright, well, that pretty much sums it up. Cleared up stuff here, cleared up down at the neighbors there, and honestly, it's not worth getting it too much better than this anyway. Hopefully the sun comes out, melts some of the stuff off, and if I need to move more, I'll just move it as I need. But who knows, they're calling for up in the 50s over the weekend, so that should probably melt a lot of this away.